Okay, so while resetting, there's some water dripping in the pan here. Let's see. Coming from right there. You can see that line there. Looks like it's dripping out of that gasket. And also, I have what appears to be coming out along the seam right here too. Could be from the same place, but supposedly, according to this handyman guy from the home insurance, that's completely normal, right? Right. So, just so y'all can see, sinks with water. Alright, I'm gonna have Marianne pull both of the cups and turn the garbage disposal on, please. Yep. Alright, we're draining. Oh, look at that. Oh, yeah, that's completely normal. Squirting water everywhere. Yeah. That's perfectly fine, right guys? Yeah. Yeah, there's absolutely nothing wrong with this garbage disposal at all, right? Right.